Pedal Power. World Bicycle Day, SM Marikina.
Every effort, no matter how big or small, brings us closer to safer, healthier, and more sustainable transportation in the Philippines. Once again, congratulations to the organizer. We extend our best successful and impactful event, not just this year, but for the coming years ahead. Together, let us continue moving forward and moving our communities one pedal at a time. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Thank you so much, Director Joshua from Department of Transportation. This is to make sure that our partnership with LGUs and also the national government is connected with the programs, with SM Cares. Siyempre, yung mga bike lanes dapat connect na dyan. And with the help of this department, we are assured with our safety. So at this point, to properly recognize the institutions and the communities na kasama natin dito sa advocacy na to, we are now moving to a very special part of the program, wherein these initiatives will be recognized, and because of making this possible with steadfast support and shared vision for our dedicated partners. So, I would be calling the distinguished leader for sustainable development. He is the former senior director at the Asian Development Bank and the co-convener of the Move as One Coalition. Let us welcome Dr. Robert C. Sir, good morning. Good morning, sir. You have a short message. So before we do the award, before we give the recognition, Sir Robert, we have a
Robert
short
C.
message.
Good morning, fellow advocates for active transport. Good morning, fellow cyclists. We are here this morning to also acknowledge the huge contribution of SM Supermalls and SM Cares to our collective advocacy. Today, I'm sure all of us feel that active transport and cycling is already part of the DNA of SM. We can see that here today. We can see that in all the malls all over the country. And for example, I just want to point out that all of you who use bicycles, this is a model bike parking facility that we see here today. Can we give SM a big hand? Not only is it spacious, it is very convenient, hindi sa sulok-sulok ng mall. It is very secure because it is in front of all the CCTV cameras. All the security guards are also around the bike parking. So here today is a model of how we should have bike parking in all our public offices, in all our private sector employers' offices, and in all our commercial establishments. So today we are giving SM Cares and SM Supermalls a special recognition. Okay. May I invite?
Yes, sir. Can I help you with the invitation of SM Cares? Para po.
Yes.
Sige, sir.
Can we invite all the SM Cares staff to come up?
Everyone from SM Cares. Sir Richard Caluyo, headed by Sir Richard. We also have Ma'am Nina Dulaiwa, our Assistant Mall Manager. SM Cares team, SM Cares, sama kayo. As requested by Sir Robert C.
Okay. Can we also invite our civil society champions who are here today? 350 Filipinas, please join us also. And anyone here from the Move as One Coalition, please also join.
Yes, from 350 Filipinas and Move as One Coalition. Representative. Ayan, Sir Robert, po kayo for the group photo.
So maybe I can show everyone what we are giving as a token of appreciation to SM Cares. So yung nakasulat dito is what you see here in the cart. And this is a working model, a miniature bicycle, which will be our token of appreciation. So I want to read aloud what is shown on this banner, presented today to SM Cares and SM Supermalls in appreciation of their visible and unwavering advocacy for active transport and safe cycling through the establishment of convenient, spacious, and secure bicycle parking and protected bike infrastructure in all their developments, and the education of both cyclists and motorists regarding safe and responsible behavior on Philippine roads. Given today, 6 June 2026, in SM City, Marikina on World Bicycle Day. So please give SM Cares and SM Supermalls a big hand. Thank you very much, SM Cares.
Thank you very much, Director Robert. Sige, we have one group photo. Isang solid na group photo kasama ang SM Cares at ang ating partners like 350 Pilipinas and the movement or the coalition for biking. Ayan. Thank you very much, Director Robert C., for our biking advocates. Yes, sir. We have a short message from our AVP, Assistant Vice President for SM Care, Sir Richard Caluyo.
Isang mixing message lang, pwede ba natin bigyan ng isang malakas na palakpak si Alden Richards?
Yes!
Si Alden po nag-volunteer na sumali sa atin today dahil gusto niya pa i-promote yung active transportation at syempre yung pagbibisikleta bilang isang magandang alternatibo para sa safe and fun na pagbibisikleta around the city. At natutuwa kami na advocates like him, na si Sir Alden, will always willing to offer his service to encourage people to use his influence para tayong lahat ma-encourage. So bigyan natin ng palakpak si Alden.
Ayan!
And lastly, isang palakpak para sa ating lahat dahil lahat naman ang ginagawa po namin, yung mga bike facilities, lahat po yan para sa inyo. At sa patuloy niyo po pagbibisikleta, tulungan niyo kami maintindihan kung ano pa yung dapat na gawin to improve our facilities so we can better serve you as our customers in our one, especially here in SM City, Marikina. A round of applause para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po for joining today's event.
Thank you so much, Sir Richard Caluyo, our Assistant Vice President for SM Cares. And we also have FELSI and LSA, so marami siyang departments in particular na hawak dito sa atin sa SM Supermalls. So now, kanina, nabanggit ko, we have raffle prizes. I'm giving away the first batch of 10 prizes. So kapag tinawag ko ang inyong pangalan, punta lang po kayo dito sa left side ng stage. You look for Chloe, magkaya kasi hindi na malawag nila. Si Chloe po ang lalapitan ninyo. Show your IDs to make sure that you will get their prize. So, let's start. And